We often think of ourselves as individuals, a single being, distinct and separate. But this is an illusion. We are, in fact, walking, talking ecosystems, home to trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These microbes outnumber our human cells significantly. For every human cell in our body, there are roughly 1.3 microbial cells. This means we are only about 43% human. The rest? A teeming community of microscopic life forms, collectively known as the microbiome. These microbes are not simply passive residents. They are active participants in our health, influencing everything from digestion to immunity. Understanding this hidden world within us is revolutionizing our understanding of human biology. It's time we embrace our microbial side. We are not just human, we are superorganisms. These microbial communities are not uniformly distributed throughout our bodies. They congregate in specific locations, forming distinct ecosystems. Each area, our skin, mouth, gut, offers a unique environment that attracts certain types of microbes. The largest and most diverse microbial community resides in our gut, particularly the large intestine. Here, trillions of bacteria help us digest food, produce vitamins, and train our immune system. Our skin, the body's outermost layer, also hosts a diverse array of microbes. These microbes act as a first line of defense against infection. Even seemingly sterile environments, like our lungs, harbor their own unique microbial populations. While less diverse than the gut, these communities play a crucial role in respiratory health. From the top of our heads to the tips of our toes, microbes have made our bodies their home. Understanding the specific composition and function of these microbial communities is crucial for developing targeted therapies and interventions. The microbes that inhabit our bodies are essential partners in our health and well-being. We provide them with shelter and nutrients, and in return, they perform a remarkable array of services. One of their most important roles is in digestion. Gut microbes break down complex carbohydrates, releasing energy and nutrients. They also produce essential vitamins, crucial for blood clotting and metabolism. The microbiome shapes and trains our immune system. Our microbiome influences a surprising range of bodily functions, from brain development to hormone production. The realization that we are not just human but superorganisms is revolutionizing medicine. Scientists are exploring the use of microbes, or their byproducts, to treat a wide range of diseases. One promising area is fecal microbiota transplantation, or FMT. This involves transferring fecal matter from a healthy donor to the gut of a patient with a disrupted microbiome. FMT has shown remarkable success in treating recurrent Clostridium difficile infections, a debilitating bacterial infection that is often resistant to antibiotics. Other areas of research include developing targeted probiotics, prebiotics, and even engineered microbes to modulate the microbiome and treat specific conditions. Imagine a future where personalized microbial therapies are used to treat obesity, diabetes, depression, and even cancer. The potential of microbiome-based therapies is vast, offering hope for treating diseases that have long plagued humanity. As we delve deeper into this hidden world, we are likely to uncover even more ways to harness the power of microbes for our benefit. Section 5. Pandas and their microbial partners. The concept of a symbiotic relationship between an animal and its microbiome is not unique to humans. Take, for example, the giant panda, a beloved creature known for its bamboo-heavy diet. Pandas lack the necessary enzymes to efficiently digest cellulose, the main component of bamboo. Their survival depends on a specialized gut microbiome that can break down this tough plant material. These microbes ferment the cellulose, making nutrients available to the panda. This reliance on microbes for survival highlights the interconnectedness of life. Just as pandas depend on their microbial partners, we too rely on our microbiome for essential functions. This interdependence underscores the importance of respecting and preserving microbial diversity. Our relationship with our microbiome is a delicate dance, a constant exchange of benefits. Disrupting this balance can have significant consequences for our health. Section 6. We are superorganisms. The traditional view of ourselves as singular autonomous beings is outdated. We are not just individuals. We are superorganisms, complex ecosystems composed of human and microbial cells working together. This perspective of a unified holobiont recognizes the interconnectedness of all living things. Our human cells and our microbial partners have co-evolved over millennia, shaping each other's biology and destiny. Recognizing ourselves as superorganisms has profound implications. It challenges our understanding of individuality, health, and even evolution. We are not merely the product of our own genes. We are the product of a complex interplay between our genes and the genes of our microbial partners. This holistic view of human biology opens up new avenues for understanding and treating disease. It highlights the importance of considering the entire superorganism, both human and microbial components, when developing therapies and interventions. Section 7. Respecting our microscopic allies. Our microbiome is not static. It is a dynamic ecosystem, constantly influenced by our environment, diet, and lifestyle. Factors like antibiotic use, diet, stress, and exposure to nature can all impact the composition and function of our microbial communities. While some disturbances are unavoidable, it is crucial to be mindful of the potential impact of our choices on our microbial partners. Overuse of antibiotics, for example, can decimate beneficial bacteria in the gut, leaving us vulnerable to infection and disease. Similarly, a diet high in processed foods and low in fiber can negatively impact the diversity and abundance of our gut microbes, potentially contributing to a range of health problems. By making conscious choices that support a healthy microbiome, we can nurture these essential partners and reap the benefits of a balanced and thriving inner ecosystem. Section 8. The threats to our microbial allies. Just as our lifestyle choices can positively influence our microbiome, they can also pose significant threats. Understanding these threats is crucial for protecting the delicate balance of our inner ecosystem. One of the most significant threats is the overuse and misuse of antibiotics. While these drugs are essential for fighting bacterial infections, they are often prescribed unnecessarily or used inappropriately. This widespread use has led to the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, a major global health threat. Furthermore, our modern lifestyles, often characterized by processed foods, high stress levels, and limited exposure to nature, can disrupt the delicate balance of our microbial communities. These factors can reduce microbial diversity, leading to a less resilient and potentially less beneficial microbiome. Recognizing these threats is the first step in mitigating their impact. By adopting a more balanced approach to antibiotic use, embracing a healthier diet, and incorporating stress-reducing practices, we can help protect and preserve our microbial allies. Section 9. Nurturing our inner ecosystem. Just as we care for our physical bodies, we must also learn to nurture our inner ecosystems. By making conscious choices that support a healthy microbiome, we can strengthen our resilience to disease and enhance our overall well-being. One of the most effective ways to cultivate a thriving microbiome is through a diverse and balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide the fiber and nutrients that our gut microbes need to flourish. Limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats is equally important. These dietary culprits can disrupt the balance of our gut bacteria, potentially contributing to inflammation and other health issues. Incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut into our diet can also be beneficial. These foods contain live beneficial bacteria that can help replenish and diversify our gut microbiome. Section 10. Embracing our microbial identity. For centuries, we have viewed microbes primarily as agents of disease. While it is true that some microbes can cause harm, the vast majority are either beneficial or harmless. It's time to shift our perspective and embrace our microbial identity. We are not separate from the microbial world. We are deeply intertwined with it. Our bodies are living ecosystems, home to trillions of microbes that play a vital role in our health and well-being. Understanding and respecting this delicate balance is crucial for our own health and the health of the planet. Just as we strive to protect the diversity of life in our ecosystems, we must also prioritize the diversity of our inner ecosystems. By adopting a more holistic view of ourselves as superorganisms, we can learn to live in greater harmony with our microbial partners and unlock the full potential of our interconnectedness. Section 11. The future of human microbe harmony. We are entering a new era of scientific exploration into the hidden world of the microbiome. Each discovery reveals the complexity and elegance of our relationship with microbial partners. The future of human health involves understanding and manipulating our microbiome. Personalized microbial therapies could treat diseases, from autoimmune disorders to mental health conditions. Acting as responsible stewards of our inner ecosystems is crucial. Embracing a balanced lifestyle and respecting antibiotics supports a healthy microbiome. Our well-being is linked to the well-being of our microbial partners. The journey into the human microbiome is just beginning, with transformative discoveries ahead.